Hi guys, for today's video, I will show you how to get reply options on Instagram Messenger. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile phone and you should be able to see this one. This indicates that your messaging options is already updated. So, and if you cannot see this kind of icon, that means your messaging option is not yet updated. And if you want to update your messaging option, just click your profile icon on the lower right side, this one, and then click this three lines icon on the upper right side, this one, to go to settings and privacy. And on the first sentence right there, you'll be able to see update messaging. And if ever you cannot see, just search on the search bar update messaging to update your messaging options on Instagram. And if ever still not fix your messaging options, just scroll down and look for help, this one. Under more info and support, just click this one, help, and then report problem. So click report problems without shaking, this one. Click includes and continue. So on this page, you should write what's the problem or the problem with your messaging option. So just simply type Instagram Messenger is not working and then click send. So that's it. That's how to get reply options on Instagram Messenger. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and updates.